Be prepared. Ensure you have taken the time to go over lecture materials and have made sense of it. Take some practice questions prior to the exam throughout the study period to find any holes in knowledge and build that bridge of retrieval that is needed for the exam. Arrive early. You'll increase your confidence if you are relaxed and are not rushing to get to the exam on time. Thus, your anxiety will be lower as well, and you'll be able to focus more on the test and not the stress of being late. Plan wisely. You will need to pace yourself so you can complete the test in the allotted time frame. Complete the questions that you know first to save time. Be positive. There are multiple scientific studies that show optimists do better on tests. In one study by the University of Toronto, scientists proved that when in a positive mood, your visual cortex absorbs more information. In contrast, negative moods literally result in tunnel vision. Here are some tips for taking the exam. Read the question, formulate an answer without looking at the answer choices or foils, and scan the answer choices. Then mark your answer. When you run across overly challenging questions, here's a method that just might help. Try the STEM Doctor Funnel method. First, identify what is being asked of you, looking at the STEM first. Distinguish the doctor words, those words in the paragraph or question that you need to know to be able to answer the question. Then simplify the question. Choosing between two answer choices can be very difficult and challenging. But if you compare two foils at a time, your brain isn't as overwhelmed. However, sometimes choosing between two choices is the problem. So rely on your first impressions. The first answer that pops in your mind is probably correct. It can be counterproductive to review answers and make changes. Only change your first answer if you have a very specific reason, not just a feeling. Always take the time to review the test. Go over the answers you missed and determine if it was a silly mistake, if you misread the question, or if it's a knowledge issue. Follow up with your professor to determine why you'd missed a question or to discuss any areas of confusion. If you need any other assistance or help with test taking, please come see us in the Center for Teaching and Learning.